The last hurrah for 2024! Hello highlighters, it's Leo here and you know the drill, hindi tayo nagpapuli sa chismis. We had so much fun last night. From the Akon Super Fan Tour, Vibe Manila 2024, the grandest hip-hop experience. We had a chance to meet Easy Meal and Lucas. Grabe talagang face to face. Then after that, naglaro-laro muna ng beer pong. At tignan nyo si Leo, hindi makashoot. And we able to score these freebies. Tapos ito pa hindi ko makakalimutan, yung fan zone area. Paano ba naman kasi unlimited arcade game? Yes, one to sawa, including this claw machine game. Mga 1 hour ata tinagal namin dito. Si Paul wala nakuha ni isang keychain. Feeling labubo yung mga plushie, no? Buti na lang ako minakuha kahit papaano. Sobrang memorable na experience na to kasi saan ba naman concert na may ganito, di ba? And moving forward, L Squared Production PH transformed the SM MOA Arena to a club. Talagang party. Here's DJ Kate. Chocolate Factory. Legit Miss Fritz. There's also a jug fashion show. At mga 18 and hotdogs dyan for sure kinilig kay Pablo. At for sure marami rin pinawisan dito kay Lucas. Then jamming time, syempre hindi mawawala to. One of the famous Pinoy rapper, Easy Meal. There's also Flo G. At mawawala ba naman si Glock 9? And lots more of jamming while waiting for Akon. Fast forward, here you go, it's Akon finally! Oh, diba? Grabe. Nostalgic party. And by the way, may free na alak, hindi lang kami kumuha. Yeah! This is a night to remember. Thank you, Akon, for coming here in the Philippines. Bumalik tuloy ako sa kabataan base ko. O diba, ang sulit, diba?